Hey, welcome to our homestead. If you have a wood burning stove like ours with a glass front, you know that it gets fogged up really easily. Well, today we're going to show you the easiest method to clean off that glass and make it nice and sparkling clear once again. Before I show you how to clean it, I want to tell you how to keep it clean without cleaning it. I know that sounds odd, but hear me out. If you burn good, properly seasoned hardwoods at a hot enough temperature in your wood burning stove, you are not really going to have to worry about a door that gets all fogged up. As you can see, ours is not really that bad, and that's because I burn my fires hot enough with the proper wood. Now this will build up over time, but this buildup has been over the last 2 years. Some people have to clean theirs every couple of weeks, but not here. Now we do burn less wood than some people up in the northern states, but we still do burn a decent amount in the winter time down here. It's 28 degrees outside right now, and I'm gonna get this fire going pretty quick. But I wanted to show you how to clean it first. Also, if you are using the proper seasoned hardwood and burning your fires hot enough, you're not going to have a problem with creosote buildup in your chimney and stove pipes. And that is really important if you want to prevent fires. Now you should clean your chimney pipes occasionally, but again, if you're burning it hot enough, it's going to burn that creosote out of there, and that's the same with the front of this glass, or the back of this glass. Now there are many methods that will work, but there are a few things that you really shouldn't do. One of those is use a razor blade to scrape off the buildup on the inside of this glass. That will scratch your glass, and that's not going to look very nice at all. Additionally, I would not in any way use any chemical cleaner on the inside of this glass. That's because you're burning a hot fire in there. Those chemical fumes, which are going to be residual on this for quite a while, are going to off-gas potentially into your house. So you want to keep away from any chemical cleaners whatsoever. And there's really no necessary reason to buy any of those cleaners at all, because this method works perfectly and it's free. Let me show you those free tools and ingredients to get this thing clean. A cup of water. I guess it's not totally free, right? Comes out of your tap. I don't know how much that's worth. Some newspaper came in my mailbox for free. And the leftover ash, which is inside your wood stove. I'm also going to run a quick experiment for you. Half of this glass I'm going to clean with just newspaper and water. The other half I'm going to clean with the ash, newspaper, and water. Now the reason I'm doing that is because some people think the ash will scratch the glass. It doesn't. But I do want to show and compare those two methods together, so let's do it. Here we go. First one, just the newspaper and water. We're going to do this half of the door. You can see that worked pretty well. Now I'm going to take my wet newspaper and dip it in the ash inside of the stove and go over the other half of the window or door glass. Now this one obviously is going to leave a film, so you're going to have to clean it multiple times. So right away you can see we've cleared up a lot by just using the newspaper, and this one needs a lot more rinsing off, I guess you could say. A little more water on a new fresh piece of newspaper. And that seems to have taken pretty much everything off. We'll go over just the newspaper side with a fresh piece. There's a few things on the outside of the window here, so I'm going to get those off so it doesn't cloud our final result. Let's bring the camera in closer and look at the results on both sides. So it's still a little cloudy, and that's just residue, and it looks about the same on both sides. So let me clean that up a little bit with a soft towel. This is just a medical towel, and I'm going to equally buff both sides, so it shouldn't skew the results. Okay, let's look behind again. So in my opinion, the ash did a little bit better job, but it's almost indistinguishable between the two. So friends, it's super easy to keep your glass clean using those free methods that I just showed you, either the water in the newspaper or the ash, water, and newspaper. The results are almost identical, and the ash does not scratch the glass. But remember, if you burn your fire hot enough with the proper wood, you're not going to really have to worry about it for a very long time. If you have any questions, please leave them for me in the comment section below the video. Now, if you need to learn a method that will start a fire every single solitary time in your wood stove, click on my video right here. Have a beautiful, blessed day, and we will see you on the next video.